First of all, Nana, Mahama the first coming, go to be go see Turkey. Never pray mu edi hobe 2 to 3 weeks. Omo arresting or Turkey airport. I think Istanbul or Ankara. 3 weeks na Ghana phone to ya hunu se. Sa go do no. Sa ba Ghana. Sa fa hene ya nka ho asem bi MPP betra ba mo ma ntimi anya investigation ya mfa sa go do no ho asem am 20 da. Abeda na Mahama ba bie na go do moto agu ho a. Eti sometimes no o man no em say ye nyina ye moa yen ka no kora nkyere ye ho say MPP ba na o scrutinize Mahama wo sa gold no ho e ka na gold no om toto no ko om fe nsan koka but sa gold no ira just like that eti na o ma ba no mato bi emagu ho no ma what would they do yen ka no kora say ade ya bo da ho a yen say ye de koto paper say ye kwa koto dollar o common sense say dollar ye paper obi tri na da so no ade a watu every form ye gold ye shen obi anim se wi ase no gold diamond and say empro no yetimi kokotokoji paper. That's NDC for you. Eti nana eni me bebre hon ma se what traga na check akra hu NDC ideologies no me say me du kuma ase na ba bia me wo no over ko ba bia NDC for trabama trabama NDC no we do obi so pan ebi kura se yeah ebi kura se kan ya wo pa adosa ofra no say yenko a ba dey sa area mu oduru won men ko bo MPP di so wo mo ni gi ho pa eti Ghana no anye development yo wo ma che party na NDC ni MPP a che na kan se dun ka ti an megira ho kan che so be president edi ba wonya ko tu NDC na no nko a no matter what it is NDC ni na yesi ye man ko no wotana Ghana so that's the aim eti NDC for no sabe anye di obenya na mum ya party na wa ba mra nko na hia no na MPP for no so akoye say as I open abana ba me mu no manya we won nwene de government no ya ma the whole nation no MPP for no so aye me nko ano me bre wo party no ya abana ba manya we enti na mesem me nko to aba wono nkoto no osan influence another people say mam nkoto ye mpanyufo na de ehwammo o ma discover wo nwene de MPP no eba nana yenka nokre Lawrence di 19 years 19 good years say Paul Kagame etimi di 18 or 16 20 years to me ema Rwanda ye say ya na say Lawrence di 19 years na Ghana ye ni factory ye ni companies wo honom ankwala be ye madwuma hwan na ese di brema no hwan ya why? I don't know if on over Sabachi NDC no, but NDC for no be try and one by because I could find by one year. But one more fund than I would 19 years in a day. Obia money didn't Ghana no. I'm say, ya general form. I general form because Obia the 19 years. One for factories and Obi by what on town was saying. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Samaya ni yeking. Nana, when you said the first railway line, Kumasi, 1903. 1903, the first train, Kumasi, 1903. Ya Kwame Nkrumah, 1909. It's 1903 na train Kumasi. About 6 years later, ni ya Nkrumah. Ghana ni betra catch us Nkrumah, and I did train Kumasi.
Ayɛka.
So no, your idea, ya reading. Ghanaians don't like reading, and you might be why yem pen hunutino. I say Ghana no, Obia himself or fan chromaton so. Panana for 1844, the bond of 1844. Number of Ghana, 80 misane bond of 1845. Ye musa say from and San Yabaji independent, 100 years, and Morofona and Yabibia or Ghana. And so the one Ghana bia no bia pass what just Nkrumah na ye nyi de amrofo ni gya no ho ansa na ye de nsaf ya ponte se Nkrumah and the we be see Ghana ene man bebre ho no ma amrofo no Ghana awaso bauxite no obutu bauxite wa awaso eti all the ekovo western region and fa obesi na ye to gold ewo dunkwaw ansa na ye to gold ewo boase eti all that encre no na train railway no call round no e wo ho ni nyina no emrofo na ye Kwame Nkrumah me ye railway lab akokora ba na Kwame Nkrumah atimi di atam Ghana skadi akoma Guinea for say France for to 200 railway land to wo nyinya railway line mi wa no ko timi extend no ko sunwan e ka mi wa de obaba to e otimi extend no ko du tamela e ka sa la no ka be wo ho amanfo hu all these things eti wo ye Nkrumah asefo ene NDC asefo no na mpa Ghana ye bat NPP for no so no a ye JB dan kwa buzi asefo no mpa Ghana ye no so no sabe no kreda hɔ Ayɛka wo so no do ho ye so aye ho ahoye a anyame eno kreda hɔ no maka anyame dia ne message ene amenka ne a otu okansem na said a party no wo power crowd wo ba opposition obeka to honom just like that but NDC for enya kra no a otachire wonka de onka hwe obeden obetachire abo honom a say yes NDC ena say nti nana eno kra da ho aga na yentimi nka nkire ye ho ena o ma na yesa no ba se yetimi nka no kra kire ho a aka no was President Mahama right now currently because Otumfuor president because nanka ofura bam nanka so many investigation wo ho na ese kwo no ho but na go for the bebu na ni go so eti me dem me hu ni say o man no asip say ye ndo wo man no ye do party ya Ghana no ye do party say NDC ti abam de o ye enye kra no a o ye NDC ni o support NPP so ba abam a de o ye enye kra no a obeka ama ya hu say de aba no be free de oye no ho na obeye de be boa Ghana for no ono so ya NDC ni MPP ni no ono so support no o defend eti emre du say yempa mu nka ne nka no kra nkire ye ho se ye do ma no de a na wo ma ni ntimi nyina ne na so ne yenya hypocrisy ni say eye me party eye enya kra no a yemfa ne saa na kakra mesre ne Ghana media no mo na mo be scrutinize any government am ye hu ne ekoso eno kra onfa no kra nya adwuma no mo susu nya sebe kakra ye de ba me ma won se bosomi bia e betua ne kanti no kra ho a wo mo nka na mo aba bi wo ho na eba na se aba no ye ade se de kra na se wo mo nya bi ni susu dia ene ye nsonsi aba no so na aba no kwatra opposition no ye mfa nkekere o man ene ye wo 21st century de be se ne se media no mo na mo wo the space amu betimi ama aban bi aye nepa de ama oman no enti mo ma munwuma no en reflect na munya media ayifo no anyai kakra de be ma won a e be support wo mo nkwan na emom emmoa wo man no empuntuo enti me de besi ha no mo na me nua no so akabiti kakra meka no me da se bebre.
Thank you so much for coming through Ogboadenana. We appreciate you. Yo development MPP. Oh wow, 5 minutes now. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. So far, my colleagues have said a lot about the NDC scandals and stuff, but I would like to touch one or two things about what they said. You can't dollar rates now. You can't dollar rates now. You handle over, let's say, NDC government, the governor of the Bank of Ghana, a release PDF, and I'm sure a lot of people have it. PDF mono oko about the growth of this country and the GDP. Yeah, so okay, the dollar started say perform like citizens started say perform very good against the dollar within the let's say the ending of the 3 months of 2024 during the MPP time. So we read the PDF now, they will see that tell. So when the NDC came, then on my dollar neko forma. You remember they told us say Sami Jemfi gold board and I am a dollar form. When later we told them that gold board issue and that gold for reserve thing was a initiative from Bawumia, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Then later they told us only $10 billion and a mad we no see this no elbow dollar no. That's what they are saying now. They have nothing good to tell Ghanaians. They have nothing good to say. BBR, anything we are benefiting now is something that the MPP government ayato have ni did home. That's what certain Ghanaians don't know. Yes, BBR is something the previous government ayato I feel na you cry in your son first. So the NDC, sometimes I just look at certain people and I just make sure one of my say because the minim say I dream back when you ask them certain questions, they just try to deviate and make Ghanaians look like we are fools. They don't know, say the youth of this country are very, very smart. They are very, very smart. They are very, and I'm coming. Let me touch on this. Go down so far almost we all know say your investment and now to susua. Now open say fans so ukoyisa investment in the APPR maybe at all critical is something no as in gidi. Ebema wo don sa koka sa maybe investment na wo ye. Right now you are telling us that the country is in a good shape. The city is stronger than the dollar and all those stuff. If we are in a good shape, now BBI okay, why do you want to sell that good reserve? If you think say so far IMF crash supply a certain money last 3 months or so we received about $300 million. If you say ye not dollar no your fancy city is good against the dollar now, why are you going to sell that good reserve? Other countries say Tom reserve because maybe war BAC or factories are saying or nyama says then they sell it to get money to build certain things for the country. All say country is in a good shape. So far, even what's our kofa is a 401 million Ghana cedis. So the command market women. We are expecting that money to reach the market women accordingly, maybe by the end of this year. Says cano a be so 401 million or budget in some of the market women to support their business. Says you cano at the end of this year, we'll ask them. Because once you keep that money, then the end of this year you bring a new budget. Now start the scaffold for a show. No knowing says can you do market women. So I'm telling the market women, almost 401 million were to force simple. So by the end of this year, they have to go there and don't take their money.
Sure.
Budgets in the Nyame woman, if you take your time to go through the budget, you won't say this government is full of scam. This government is full of scam. Usumu in the Kotoka International of it. What's your reason? Mostly because of Kotoka Yeku. Rollins one Yeku. O problem is any pana Yeku. Rollins on Namo one Yeku. O Yeku for but you still name certain place I Rollins team. Rollins no Namo one Yeku. Charlie.
Yo, it has the MPP. Thanks for coming through. Yo, Emmanuel, good evening.
I some can say if I good reserve now, you want say I short no sir, you know. Me dey imagine say good no dey o man ko ton anfa mo bibia o. We say good no dey ma o the man nwa sa boy no. The be ma ba no. Me dey say me di me start no. And then and what I to say play no. Me dey be say me hu because good no so ko ton ya at least can away scan am ko ton scan away fa. The imagine say good no man nwa boy say because I nwa boy no. Tell people ba power no. No, or the cabby check what the band checking either a bounce. I sat went back to start getting. And why can any black about power? No, to news are getting. It is
$15 million US dollars.
What I say?
Yeah.
And it is a friends about me. I say, in case it doesn't know about power. Over they are no day. One investigation first, I don't know. Because me the son of my actually me say good the new boy na dey but I'm amano.
Sure.
To me Islam kaka me speak me aka no.
It has it.
And first me patch out. MPP for registration na person so. Si say hia dom. Triple be aso be registered bi am register no. Nye safa de me ka say bi akwa da bi. Sa be say hia dom.
Right.
Just slow ma registration people of the aspect with be amunya one. I'm not trying to financial. Mr. Ma said I say or part or police station when you or join the party you know in case you pass or JPP card there. We JPP mutual di mon family en party. So na be 2020 the beginning of there ato abanama amaye. The slam. Sa school long we say twam. Say the work ni. Yen nya fia mutu film. Yen said man. Timisama the people be am to di na munya say na ko join party na kwasi da bi da say dey say mutwem It's a nibla ba.
Thank you so much, Abara Emmanuel, for coming through with that beautiful comment. Yeah, Sunday Williams, good evening.
Good evening, The Voice.
Yeah, Boko.
Say Boko Namoswe.
This one don't any mumpai.
Edo Badiasi. Yo, The Voice. Me come as a medical champion for Omabasu Nina. Na ye papa bako or say Obadie Nana.
The critical thinker.
Wa make history bia. Man kame person ka papa no always bia nka NPP platform so obe tab be baso na on say the bia na NDC for any Ghana from paying for Nibia or Munsia de no Munwadi or sit train rain rates like Eba Ashanti region mine 1903 and the word of Kwame Nkrumah 1909.
Yeah.
And so Ghana Libeka se Kwame Nkrumah and a day train Eba Ashanti region. Papa no me bomb pa say enka sisi a wanya ayi beba platform so no omrebra platform yi so na nka niam bi wo ho a on chire na ye
deep
oh yes
yeah send me voice note or WhatsApp deep
okay na boy The Voice me call masem so a akan for anasa Asante ye wonum bi a yetato yese abusuam ncheni na yemfa ya no yenkɔwe abo what you say abusuam ncheni na yenkɔwe abo
sa
yewura John Mahama eba ye no waye na adwene sɛ sika na agu honom no anka na nado ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia gato wo sɛ ɔmomfa mɛbɔ Ghana ho ban sɛde ana sɛ ɔmomfa mɛbɔ yes ɛma temamufo a yewu mu no ɛho ntɔyɛ no abusua no echedi na yewura Ibrahim Mahama unua ewo opposition 8 good years want me anya sika ankoto plane or by 1 year wakwa akoto second plane wo say wawo dia na yewura John Mahama o ka say ye yemkura say ye yesusu mpo a adwene ne dia nyino ye dwene gold sika no and gold no watam dia ma unua say on fan koto plane no wudim but on for no ni dinya say the beya ani emkoso na ye smart MPP youth ni ye smart to the extent say baby a wodi free airban a wo pesa wodi ko wie no ye duru ho kra dada ye hu baby a wo ko wie entisa sika no a wodi woni onua no moache ana momma enya so mfaso di na Ghana fo temamufo nya bi ni no enya so mfaso se de na nado ebema atemamufo ebenya mfaso wo Ghana sika mu mo befe edi aba mo befe ununua no mo befe se sika no di aba The Voice mesako international airport ya yese yasesanu ya ana yepese yesesa din no a me paacho yenuanum enkranfo yepese obi ba no besesa sadin no de maye Asante region uko sports stadium a yayi Baba Yara sports stadium Baba Yara The Voice onya akani onya asantini ba yehwe ni dwuma pa waba bedi ama Ghana football ama Ghana wotimi ede ne ball bona obebo ye no ede Ghana ko akiri ene ma yede Baba Yara eto no sasta ni dino eto sa stadium ene eda so ye adwuma o how say adie we say ubese hu ska because of say what promise ebi mo say oba obeye sa ni ma we The Voice we say no nyina ye sika say ena yenua ye papa no NDC fo ayo omadwen so mbebo Ghana bro na eya na Ghana medwene ho a menti ase na meti ase nso a menwene ho because baby a MPP beba be pagya o man no say omudi ko bosha asa so no ubonse Ghana for na yasama oman no asa atwea ba ekire medwene ho amenti ase eya na medi yaw today because ya maame mu 8 years Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne nanado eba bedi ye na omoma ya maame mu entry school fees omam ema ya maame mu timisie sika edi to ebi mu de to asase na nke bi mu mpa because of omoma school fees nti omuntimi ntontoma emfanye wo within that 8 years ehun sesaye bi wo ya maame mu emu ense ampa ready afede maame ebia waye sese de otimi sese no because de na nko de betwe school fees no nanado ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia efa de to wo ho so enne Ghana for sa ma sa niema we nyina ekọ akire sa niema we ese ekọ akire na me de da ne da me bompa ya na se misu a misugu yewura don mahama eni NDC aban so omose kotoka ekoye ku hwana Ghana emlem oye ku twice ye chie hwan enso ene yewura Jerry Lawrence eneni dida so da niema bi so wo Ghana omu nyina no de yensesa because ni nyina so the voice ni nyina so metimi akan straight say beble no so free ye Ashantis yeya ni yetwetwa ye ni yeya ye ho nantini yeya kanfo no ye na yetwetwa ye ho nantini ebia na se yenhwa de se plane ya Ibrahim Mama Kotoye se ye MPP ni bi a woye ayinanado abusuani anase Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abusuani bi na koto sa plane within that 8 years now. The voice and Kanyama ebe koso wo Ghana.
Restaurant mpo ijasemba na plane.
Restaurant keke. Na me no kura na me se bebusa se na do ba no sa kam no ye adwuma ana wonya adwuma.
No ye adwuma da kura.
No ye adwuma. Enso okobie sa restaurant no. Ankrofo Ghana media esom se wafa Ghana sika na ne papa atam dia ma no e dia kobie na yewura Ibrahim Mahama eba wa ye freboy ikura se ya na me refinity
Sharif Mahama
Sharif ekofa Anthony Joshua Anthony Anthony de ne buy $2 million boy no ye adwuma wa he onya self can we Ghana sika na no doubt because papa na begina platform so ye campaign was motuma John Mahama mobetian say ya ton Ghana ya ton ma Russia for the voice ya ton Ghana ama Russia for na yenim say enye nwanwa say 2026 2027 2028 no emuni panyina ya beton because ye nyam kwasiafo 6 million bia Ghana omotimi ababe control Ghana nkwasiafo 6 million omababe ene omu control my Ghana ukobie wano sa ukano kra yesemenka the generous nsoso adnyina komanu atum because NDC ene emu omuskadi NPP tam dia komu nyina betwe omano e de asi NPP so se oseska ye de bo man no ho ban enene ye de nipa ba ko de akoto plane na menim se atemu e wo ho se Domhama ejina platform so ka kire na nado se obi o twantro enko heaven dia ene ye wura Domhama me ka kire wo se unu nuam ene wobusuafo nyina heaven gate wokura munan enuru ena makwa akura inside the voice I'm from Anunsi obi and
thank you so much my brother for coming through. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye, cheers. Right, good evening.